With rising oil prices and an increase in the cost of living, Caricom has agreed to strengthen regional cooperation and provide relief to citizens. The issue was among a number of topics discussed at the closing press conference today.
On Wednesday, the price of Brent crude oil was roughly $80 per barrel, as there is no end in sight to the US-Israeli war on Iran. Caricom leaders admit they have no control over oil prices, but they're pushing to diversify energy sources.
We agreed to strengthen regional cooperation to protect consumers, improve affordability, and explore additional measures that can provide relief to vulnerable households. We also agreed to strengthen consumer protection and work together to address rising prices across the community.
Steps will also be taken to reduce the cost of intra-island cargo and specific taxes.
Looking at making adjustments to the common external tariff on some of the basic food items in the region. And some countries have already asked for different arrangements to be put in place so that they can remove the common external tariff, which will reduce the cost of goods.
Caricom has also approved the 10-point plan for reparation and agreed to increase cooperation in healthcare and other sectors.
We also agreed to establish a regional Blue Ribbon Commission on artificial intelligence to guide the development of policies that will enable the Caribbean to benefit from AI while responsibly managing its risk. We also agreed to advance a regional insurance and reinsurance strategy to better protect our people, infrastructure, and economies against hurricanes and other natural disasters.
In the meantime, Caricom countries continue to mobilize resources to offer humanitarian assistance to those in Venezuela and Cuba. As for the controversial Third Country National Program from the United States,
what really is each island doing? Right now, we are not clear. So we decide to share some information among ourselves so possibly come out with a more definitive position in the future.
Antigua and Barbuda, for example, is set to table a white paper to outline its position on the Third Country National Program. Jamaica has signed an MOU with the US, and the proposal is still being worked out. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.